So this is the question 71792 maximum average pass ratio, in which we are given classes. Okay, and this is the pass students and 2 is the total number of students. Okay, and this is the extra students. So what we have to do is that we have to add the extra students in such a way such that the decimal, all the proportion becomes a maximum. Okay, so the approach will be very much easy. Okay, what we can do is that the ratio here among all the three ratios, the ratio which is the small, we can add the extra two elements in that ratio so that it becomes the max. It also gains to a easy level and we can get the maximum. Okay, it is, and you can see the code, it is one of the easiest code that you can see. So first we are getting here, we are taking a min heap. Okay, min heap, because with that, as I've said, we have to take the element with the smallest decimal, or not decimal, smallest fraction. Okay, so this is the past students, that is, for example, 1. B is equal to 2, that is the total students, and we are adding it into the cube. Okay, so as we can see here, extra student is 2, so we are will be, the loop will run until 2 becomes 0. So what we will do is that we will add 1 to the student, that is a past students. It is given in the question that the extra students are those who will be passing the exam. Okay, so we will adding 1 and adding 2 also, because as we add one past students to the already one, so the total number of count of the students will also be getting plus. Okay, and adding it to the queue, and at the end we are minusing it. Okay, so as the queue not becomes empty, we'll calculate the answer. Okay, now as it is, we have added 2, so it will be become 3 by 4. Okay, so 3 pq out of 3 by 4. Okay, and then we will pop it out. Done. So this is the code, it is very easy. And what is that, we have built a custom operator. What does it mean? So that is that it is majority is doing is that is a and b, is that it will be taking account of only those fractions that is the smaller one. That is the difference, as we can see. For example, for the first, okay, 1 and 2 is given. So 1 by 2, 1 plus 1, 1 extra count, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. So what we are doing is that we are adding the extra one to the to the given counts, so that we can get the minus, and we are taking the that fraction 3 by 5 or 2 by 2 or 1 by 2 which is having the high difference, so that we can get to know which among this is having the least or low fraction, so that we can add it to the element. What I'm again saying is that 1 by 2, 3 by 5 and 2 by 2 are the true options. For getting the one with the lowest fraction, we are adding 1 to the this and this, so that the subtraction of it gives a fraction, and upon getting the fraction, we're comparing which is the low one and we're taking the lower one. Okay, thank you.